Hello everyone, this is your travel advisor, Realtor Valentina. We're right now just in the end of the evening night in restaurant Oasis in Miami, Sunny Isles. Here in happy birthday to Valentina. Valentina is my daughter-in-law grandma. We have celebrated her birthday today with great entertaining from Larissa Maskalova. You can see Larissa, she is a beautiful singer from Uzbekistan, this is USSR, whatever it was calling before. And right now she is always have Friday, Saturday events in Oasis. She's singing, but today she was invited special by Oksana Shahova for her mother's birthday party, and we have a fantastic team. And a big surprise was today, of course, Father Nikolai is Russian priest from Moscow, and it was amazing him and show up today and congratulate Valentina with her birthday. Live from Oasis, Miami, live Valentina 1201 area code 8384838. Love you guys. Welcome to Miami.